Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Division 101. This morning, this day, we are going to learn another tutorial in code.org. One of my students asking how to solve, student in grade 5, okay, asking how to solve the puzzle in lesson 2 number 8. So this morning I will show you how to solve this puzzle in lesson 2 number 8. This is for grade 5. Okay, to start with, so we will go to our browser, Google Chrome, click. So again, if you already bookmark your code.org, you can see it here at the top or down here in the shortcut. But if not, for the new one, you can write here code.org. Simply write code.org. This is a very useful program for us to learn computer science. So sign in. So this time, I will be going to sign in with grade 5. Okay. So for those students, okay, that want to learn programming, code.org, you can simply write here, create new account, and you can sign in. Okay, but for those who have their own card and their section code, you just type it here. Okay, so here you write the code. So I will be using the grade 5D code. So the code is CGNNYP. Okay, so CGNNYP. So click go, and then look for your name. This time my name is here. I add on. So Debbie, click, and you enter your secret word as your password. So my secret word is okay, and then after you write your secret code, all you need to do is to sign in. And then we are going to solve lesson 2 number 8. So lesson 2 is about swimming fish with Sprite Lab. So let's go to lesson number 8 or puzzle number 8. Lesson 2 puzzle number 8. The title is in 8. The title is Mini Project Swimming Fish Continue. So maybe student, some of the students are confused about how to do this one. So just click X, close it. This says that this icon means that this level is a part of a larger project. Changes will be saved across these levels. So this is only a practice, and this is a preparation for the next level. So click. Then, if you can see here, what we're gonna do, that is why students are confused what we are going to do here. It says that what do you want your fish, new friend, to do? Add a behavior and watch them go. So if you can see here, you need to add fish. Okay? So you need to add fish. How to add fish. So let's start. So in here, you have WinRun. You can have your make a new sprite. Okay? And then your sprite begins with spinning right. But it says here that you need to have fish, right? So all you need to do is to change this one to fish. For example, I will be using green fish. Okay? Here. And then, of course, in this side, you also change with green fish, so that this one is the same. So the fish here in this one, the fish will be spinning right. So it will spin right. This is the fish number 1. And also you can add also background. So here you can set background, the world, set background. Okay, and I will put the background here. So our background now is changed. So you can change color if you want. Example, you change color like that. This is how to change the color. If you want yellow, you can change the color yellow. So it's up to you, okay, to choose what color you want. Okay, for example, I will be choosing this color. Okay, and then after that, you have your fish now, right? One only. So your fish needs to have a new friend. So all you need to do is to add new friend. So where can we find that one? So click new friend here, add, and then sprite again. Okay, behavior, so put it here. Okay, and add behavior, maybe swimming left to right. Okay, so you can choose the color of your fish. For example, I will be choosing this one, the purple one, another one, purple one. So this fish number 1 is green, fish number 2 is purple one. So if you can see, this one is the place where you can see in your screen or in your workspace. So it's about, this one is 399. This is X and Y. So the green fish will spin right, spinning right. It will spin to the right, while the purple fish will swim left and right. Okay, so if you see what happened, you can run. So if you can see, your fish is, okay, we replay. So you can see this purple fish is moving left, right, while the green fish is spinning to the right. You can see again. Okay, so that is how to solve that lesson or that problem. Lesson 2, number 8. So congratulations, you completed puzzle 8. So we are done with lesson 2. Hope that this will help in solving your next puzzle. So see you again for the next coding tutorial. This is David June. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are new in our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, David June 101. And also please click the bell so that you'll be notified for our new videos tutorial here in our channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.